What happens when you take a spacious Skoda Superb Combi and give it a shot of adventure? You get the Laurin Klement-130, a one-of-a-kind pickup truck concept, built by students at the Skoda Academy. And it's not just for show, this custom build is designed as a support vehicle for professional cycling races. Named after Skoda's founders, Laurin and Klement, who started building bicycles 130 years ago, the Laurin K130 pays tribute to the brand's deep cycling roots, and it's set to make an appearance at this year's Tour de France. The most eye-catching part: that redesigned rear. While the pickup bed is compact, it extends at the touch of a button, making room for two racing bikes mounted on custom racks. Need more? There's even a roof rack for a third bike. To make all that possible, the students removed the upper rear section of the car, added a new rear window, and even redesigned the passenger side rear door with a clever dual-handle sliding system. On the outside, the Laurin K130 grabs attention with 19-inch supernova wheels, a glowing front grille, and a bold livery in gold, red, black, and white. Step inside, and you'll find matching upholstery, 130 years, stitched into the seats, and smart storage everywhere, from a built-in cool box to a roof net for small gear. 2 extra screens display real-time race data. An onboard radio keeps the team connected. Powering this stylish utility vehicle is the Superb Combi 4's plug-in hybrid setup, a 1.5-liter turbo and electric motor combo putting out 201 horsepower. While the standard version gets over 100 kilometers of electric range, the pickup's custom body likely makes that number a bit lower. The Laurin K130 isn't headed to dealerships, but it's proof of what fresh ideas and over 2,000 hours of student work can create. And with its debut planned for the 112th Tour de France, it's sure to turn heads far beyond the race route.